Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now I want to talk about the project called Daily 15 Club, and it says by 15 Club Team. So why is there another new project of this team? Because all the other scams already disappeared, they drained the contract and they left. So to keep this simple, guys, this project doesn't have a KYC. No audited contract, we cannot check the contract ourselves, and of course there is no legitimate business model behind this. Okay, just to keep it very short and simple. So would I invest in this? Of course not. So what else can you do with your money? Let's see, guys. For example, let's see if you would have this option here, what they say here. I mean, all just scam or bad, doesn't matter. Okay, because this is just a Ponzi scheme, no legitimate business model behind it. So basically they will just take the money of new investors, pay the existing investors, and once this stops, you don't get any rewards, and at some point they will just rug pull, so drain all the liquidity. So let's say you are in this bracket, this is the highest, let's say you have 12% after 24 hours, and let's say you would have $800. Let me just show you what else you can do, guys. Okay, let's say you have $800, and after one day they will give you 12%. So means you would make a profit of 96% if they pay you anything. So what else could you do? Let's say you have your $800. So first of all, guys, if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let's say you have $800 and you trade, for example, on Bitget or on Bybit, then you use 20x leverage. Yeah, means you could make with your $800 a $16,000 position, and then you just make participate in a 2% cryptocurrency move. Let's say the Bitcoin price goes 2% up or down, then you would make let's say a 2% move, just a 2% move, you would make a profit of $320. Yeah, and basically, since crypto currencies are pretty volatile, you can make a 2% move basically any day. I mean, there are some currencies that move like 6% or even 10% per day or even more. So that's what I would suggest. Learn about technical analysis, open an account and trade based on your own decisions, so nobody can take your money and run away. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.